In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Patreon benefits. If you want to update what members receive in one of your Patreon tiers, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the right section, make changes to your benefits, and save everything properly so your tier reflects the updates you want. To begin, go to your creator page on Patreon and open the membership tab. This is the area where your membership tiers are managed, including pricing, descriptions, and the benefits attached to each tier. If you have multiple tiers, take a second to identify the one you want to update before moving on. Next, find the specific tier you want to change and click Edit, or in some cases, Edit Tier. Once the editor opens, scroll down until you reach the tier benefits section. This is the part of the page where Patreon lists the perks currently assigned to that membership level. It's a good idea to review what's already there before making any edits, especially if you want to keep the tier organized and easy for potential members to understand. If you want to add new perks, click the plus Add Benefit option. Patreon may show you recommended benefit types that you can choose from, or you may also have the option to create a custom perk. As you add benefits, make sure each one is clearly named and accurately reflects what members will actually receive. This helps avoid confusion and sets the right expectations for your audience. If you need to remove a perk, look for the X icon next to the current benefit you want to delete. Clicking that will remove it from the tier. Be careful here, especially if the benefit is something your current members are already expecting. It's always worth double-checking before removing anything important. You can also reorder your perks by dragging and dropping the benefits into the order you want them to appear. This is useful if you want to highlight your most valuable or most popular benefits first. The display order can make a difference in how easy the tier is to scan, so placing the most attractive perks near the top is usually a smart move. Once you've finished adding, removing, or rearranging your benefits, click Save or Save Tier at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. This final step is important because if you leave the page without saving, your edits may not be kept. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Patreon tier benefits.